Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So I know you thought I'm going to do my classic intro, but this video is different. I really thought about making another high production scripted video for these because these are so insane. But then I thought, I need to focus on the sneaker instead of editing and some other things like that. I might still do that with my review of the sneaker, which I'm going to do later on. If you have any questions about these, let me know. You already saw the title, you know what the sneaker is, and let's get into the unboxing. I'm extremely excited about these, but before getting into that, I know there's a lot of new viewers on the channel. I used to collect Adidas sneakers a lot, but then I thought, they don't pay me, so why not try a lot of other different brands. So let's see what we have here. First, this is my first Adidas sneaker in this collection, the Adidas Climacool 1. My very first Asics sneaker, the first ever Converse, my first ever Diadora, first ever Hoka, Homa, Mizuno. This is not my first New Balance sneaker, but it is the XC72, which I really like. In this special section, there is another section right here with my Nike Bayou sneakers. This is my very first Dunk, and this is my Nike Presto. That is my first Nike sneaker in the collection after about 15 to 16 years. My first On running sneaker. This is not my first Reebok from the collection, but I really like this model, so I put it here. First ever Salomon, Saucony, Scott Speed Carbon, Skechers. My first ever Y3 sneaker. I got these on an extremely nice deal. Also right here, there are a bunch of things I like on display. My Fold 2, my carbon fiber sunglasses, Skull Candy Crusher, my carbon rings, and of course my real carbon fiber pocket knife. This is the Li-Ning Shadow in collaboration with Soulland. I got these from a Danish website. It's called Reset on an incredible discount, 70% off. The retail price for these, it's about 350 euros. Okay, so of course I've opened this the wrong way. And the lid is still... I always say, if you buy a brand that you never owned, go with the centimeters. This specific sneaker is actually 10.5 US, 44 and a third Europe, and I don't know about the UK. So be aware of the sizing. This is a very thick, huge gym bag. The sneaker has two carbon plates. One is right here, and the other one is right here in the outsole. So I can already see some things I don't like about these. As I said, I'm going to do my full review in a separate video, but I really don't like this fake boost. And I really do think this tongue is kind of too high. I'm pretty sure this will rub against my foot, so I might do something about that. Oh, I know for a fact all this plastic will turn yellow, especially where it's fused, and this outsole, translucent outsole. So let's see the on feet. And by the way, if you're wondering, I'm doing this angle for the on feet just so you can see exactly how these look on someone else's feet. All right, man, I've been checking these out. They are... Shut the fuck up. Let me know what you think about them. And if you have any questions, and thank you. Subscribe. Bye. Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you.